Hello guys, I'm Bo. Today I will cook termite mushroom that I find and pick them in my garden. So go to see it. How I find it. สวัสดีค่ะ ดิฉันชื่อโบนะคะ วันนี้จะมาทำเมนูผัดเห็ดโคนนะคะ ที่เก็บได้ในสวนตัวเอง มารับชมกันเลยนะคะว่าไปเจอเห็ดแล้วก็เก็บเห็ดที่สวนเชิญชมได้เลยค่ะ I find termite mushroom at my garden bench. I come to look early in the morning, so I pick them alone by myself. Half bucket. Very lucky day, and I will cut some basil leaf. This one is real basil leaf. Like I said, they have three kind of basil leaf. One is hairy basil. Second is sweet basil. This is basil leaf is very hot. We grow one bed. So it be like this. Turn on the fire, high heat, add oil cooking. Add chili and garlic that you pound. Stir until garlic turn to be light color. Add mushroom. I forget to tell you, have more ingredients. Sugar, add sugar. Seasoning. Dark soybean, don't add too much, just three drops. Add soybean sauce. This meal will be so quick. You see, just I think 5 minutes the mushroom start to cook already. add oyster sauce. And you see the meal is less more than before because I separate not spicy to keep for my parent, and today I will fry like stir fry spicy for you to see. Add sliced red chili. This we call ผัดกะเพรา in Thai, very spicy and very famous. And now we done cooking. Stir fry mushroom spicy with basil leaf already. You see, it's delicious, right? I hope you enjoy. Oh, sorry. I hope you enjoy with my meal today. It's very yummy. And if you like this video, please give a thumb up or share to your friend. And make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel if you are newer here. And press the bell icon for notification. Feel free to leave comment below. You ever try spicy food? Do you like spicy food? And stay safe and be healthy. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye. สวัสดีค่ะ